everyone, welcome to channel Bio Asmita by Asmita ma'am. Today's topic of discussion is cell cycle and mitosis under cell division. So let's start with it. Before starting further discussion, please pay attention that this is a short and precise video lecture but with very important key points जो आपको 11, 12, नीट CT हर जगह पे important है. Actually, whichever points I have included here are very important to understand every concept of genetics like heredity, linkage, evolution, genetics related disorders and sex determination. Okay, so please watch this video till end. Have a look of steps involved in cell cycle. We know that events taking place in a life of dividing cell is called as cell cycle, right? So see, this cell cycle is basically divided into two parts, that is interphase and M phase. Interphase is also called as preparatory phase because here cell get prepared to divide and produce new cell. Okay, so preparatory phase is again divided into three phases, that is G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Guys, sequence is important. Always G1 enters into S, then S enters into G2 and G2 enters into M. Okay, so let's start with M phase. M stand for mitosis or meiosis. This is the phase where actually cell will divide. M phase is divided into two subtypes, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Now see, karyo means nucleus and kinesis means division. So karyokinesis includes nuclear division which again takes place in four steps, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Again sequence is very important. इस सीक्वेंस पे बहुत बार क्वेश्चंस आ चुके हैं. नाउ सी द ट्रिक to remember the sequence, and the trick is PMAT. Now see, what is it? P stand for prophase, M stand for metaphase, A stand for anaphase and T stand for telophase. Okay, then the second part, that is cytokinesis. Here cyto for cytoplasm and kinesis means division. So cytokinesis includes the division of cytoplasm. Now key points of preparatory phase means interphase. See yellow box, that is G1 phase, also called as first gap phase or post mitotic phase because it takes place after previous mitosis, and this is the phase with longest duration, that is approximately 11 hours. Here is the synthesis of RNA, cell organelles and proteins. Okay, and here is a checkpoint called as G1S checkpoint, or we can say start restriction point, which keep on checking the events taking place in G1 phase. Right, now see next box, that is S phase. Here S stand for synthesis. This is the most important phase because here is the replication of DNA and it is with 7 to 8 hours of duration. Now let's start with green box, that is G2 phase, also called as second gap phase or pre-mitotic phase. It is with approximately 4 hours duration. In this phase, multiplication of cell organelles, spindle formation and aster formation takes place. See, here is the second checkpoint called as G2M phase, which checks whether cell is able to divide and produce normal cells or not. अगर कुछ भी मिस्टेक होती है तो चेक पॉइंट्स उसको करेक्ट करते हैं या तो फिर सेल को अबॉर्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो सी दिस इज अबाउट इंटरफेस. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एम फेज, दैट इज माइटोसिस एंड मियोसिस. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ इट. बट हाँ, keep in mind one more checkpoint is there, that is spindle checkpoint, which is the part of M phase. Okay, it is to check spindle fiber activities. Now let's move to the next part. See, one more phase, that is G0 phase, which is also called as quiescent stage. Now what is it? Actually it's a phase where cell is not dividing but metabolically active. Yes, in higher animals, some cells like heart cell and nerve cells are in G0 phase. Means they are not dividing but metabolically active. Okay, while some cells which are in G0 phase can resume cell division occasionally. Like अगर कोई इंजुरी होती है या फिर सेल की डेथ होती है, then only these cells of G0 phase can enter into cell cycle. For example, liver cell and kidney cell. Okay, so please keep in mind these features of your heart cell, nerve cell, liver cell and kidney cells. नाउ वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट जहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 90% बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं, दैट इज़ अबाउट द अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए एंड क्रोमोसोम नंबर. सी, in cell cycle diagram I told you that during S phase replication of DNA takes place, right? But see, though DNA is getting replicated, chromosome number remains same. See the diagram of before and after effect. When a diploid cell is in G1 phase, the DNA content is represented by 2C and chromosome by 2N. Okay. After this, cell enters in S phase where DNA replicates, and because of that replication, DNA double होता है. That is why 2C becomes 4C, but chromosome number remains same. It means 2n का 2n ही रहेगा, and this is due to chromatid concept. Understanding? That is why आगे जाके जब सेल टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगी तो 2n कंडीशन मेंटेन होगी, मतलब डिप्लॉयड कंडीशन मेंटेन होगा. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ओनली माइटोसिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज इक्वेशनल सेल डिवीजन. आर यू गेटिंग मी? प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट दिस 2C एंड 2n का फंडा, बिकॉज इस पे कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. Now let's start with M phase. I have already told you that under M phase PMAT आता है, right? So first is prophase. See the diagram of prophase. Okay, see here I would like to add one extra point that if you want to score good marks in this chapter, then go with diagram. It's very easy to learn this chapter by diagrams only. Okay, so let's focus on prophase. Here the black colored centriole moves toward opposite pole and condensation of chromosome material takes place. Now next diagram is of metaphase. See, in the metaphase, centriole produces spindle fiber which attaches to kinetochore of chromosome. Guys, don't forget kinetochore. It is important for your MCQs. After that, due to spindle fiber, chromosome get aligned at metaphasic plate. Understood? I hope you remember this video is only about key point, but very soon I am gonna make a detailed video on cell division, but for that you have to wait for few days. Okay, now anaphase and telophase. In anaphase, centromere divides, so ultimately chromatid moves toward opposite pole. After that, telophase. Here, spindle fibers break down and get absorbed in cytoplasm. After that, nuclear envelope get reforms around two sets of chromosome. Guys, pay attention, इस पे question आता है, like in which phase and how chromatids get separated. Okay, so learn it. Next is cytokinesis. See, this event is common for both mitosis and meiosis because here cytoplasm get divided to form new daughter cells. But the mechanism of cytokinesis is different in animal and plant cell. In the animal cell, a ring of actin fibers get forms around the cell equator, which contracts and pinch the cell in half part. Okay, now here actin fibers and microfilaments are very important for MCQs. Never forget, microfilaments are composed of actin. Okay, next is cytokinesis in plant cell. It takes place by cell plate formation, and this cell plate represent the middle lamina between the wall of two adjacent cells. Understood? See, in the plant cell, for the cytokinesis, cell plate is must because plant cells are covered by rigid cell wall. Got it? Have a look up this page. You can say summary of today's topic, and so see, this is how we have completed cell cycle and mitosis in a very short way. So this is all for now. Stay connected for next video lecture on meiosis, and if you are finding this video helpful, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also you can connect me on Instagram, search me there by name Need Biology by Biosmita. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching.